Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric garage heaters available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to keep your garage warm and cozy during the colder months or need a reliable heating solution for your workshop, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive into the countdown. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Nuaire NGH160 GA00. The budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on essential features. This portable garage heater is perfect for small spaces, heating up to 160 square feet with its ceramic heating plate and powerfully 200 CFM fan. Its lightweight design, complete with a carry handle, makes it easy to move around, while the tilting head allows you to direct heat exactly where it's needed. Despite its affordability, the Nuaire NGH160 GA00 is packed with safety features, including an automatic shutoff to prevent overheating and a cool-to-the-touch exterior for added peace of mind. The plug-and-play functionality means you can simply plug it into a standard 120-volt outlet, making it one of the easiest heaters to set up and use. While its compact size and 4.4-pound weight make it a great option for portability. It's best suited for smaller garages, workshops, or even a home office. On the downside, the heating capacity may not suffice for larger spaces, and its 2 heat modes might feel limiting to some users. However, at just $53.60, it's hard to beat the convenience and value this heater offers. If you're on a tight budget and need a quick heating solution for a smaller area, the Nuaire NGH160 GA00 is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Tempware 5000-watt ceiling mount shop heater. An excellent mid-range option for medium-sized garages and workshops. Capable of heating up to 592 square feet, this heater offers 3 heat levels, 3,000 watts, 4,000 watts, and 5,000 watts, allowing you to adjust the warmth based on your specific needs. The adjustable louvers and mounting angles make it easy to direct the airflow, ensuring even heating throughout your space. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the Tempware 5000-watt heater is built to last, and its compact design is perfect for saving valuable floor space. It includes a built-in thermostat for precise temperature control and an overheat protection feature for added safety. However, keep in mind that this unit requires hardwired installation, so you'll need an electrician to set it up properly. While it doesn't come with a power cord, the included mounting hardware simplifies installation. The Tempware 5000-watt heater is ideal for those who need reliable heating in a medium-sized garage or workshop. The main drawback is its limited portability since it's designed to be mounted. However, with its durable build and customizable heat settings, it's a fantastic choice for users looking for a semi-permanent heating solution. Coming in at number 3 is the Vevor 10,000-watt electric garage heater, a premium option designed for large spaces up to 90 square meters. This powerful heater provides wide coverage with 2 adjustable power levels, ensuring consistent and even heat distribution. Its intelligent temperature control maintains a stable environment with a minimal 2 Fahrenheit variation, making it one of the most precise heaters on our list. The Vevor heater boasts a robust SPCC cold-rolled steel construction, ensuring durability and long-term performance. Safety is a top priority, with features like automatic overheat power-off protection and ETL certification. The multi-angle adjustment allows you to direct heat exactly where you need it, and the included remote control adds convenience for operating the unit from a distance. However, like other high-powered heaters, it requires hardwired installation, so professional setup is recommended. At $209.90, the Vevor heater is the most expensive on our list, but its performance, safety features, and robust build justify the price. It's a top-notch choice for homeowners or professionals needing reliable heating for large garages, workshops, or industrial spaces. The only downside is its cost, which may be prohibitive for budget-conscious buyers. In the runner-up spot is the Tempware 7500-watt digital fan-forced ceiling mount heater, a versatile option capable of heating up to 1,250 square feet. With 2 heat settings, 650W and 7500W, and adjustable louvers, this unit provides excellent control over your heating needs. The built-in eco mode and 12-hour timer add an energy-efficient touch, reducing power usage when the space reaches your desired temperature. Built with heavy-duty steel, this heater is as durable as it is effective. Safety features like the built-in thermostat and automatic shutoff for overheating ensure peace of mind during use. The unit requires hardwired installation and doesn't include a power cord, so professional installation is recommended. The included remote control makes it easy to adjust settings without having to climb a ladder or reach the unit. The Tempware 7500-watt heater strikes a balance between performance, energy efficiency, and ease of use. It's a fantastic choice for larger garages and workshops, though its lack of a plug-and-play option may deter some users. Overall, it's a powerful and reliable heater that earns its place near the top of our list. Finally, claiming the top spot is the CTSC 10000WW electric garage heater, a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge features with robust performance. Designed to heat spaces up to 1,200 square feet, this heater is perfect for large garages, workshops, and even indoor gyms. It features a 10,000 WW heating capacity with 3 settings: high, low, and fan only, giving you full control over the temperature. The CTSC heater stands out with its innovative voltage display, which helps users troubleshoot common installation issues like incorrect voltage. Built from SPCC cold-rolled steel, this unit is not only durable, but also equipped with multiple safety features, including overheating protection and ETL certification. The eco function and 8-hour timer make it energy efficient, while the included remote control adds a layer of convenience. Its adjustable mounting angles and louvers ensure precise heat direction, and the package includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. While the CTSC heater requires professional hardwired installation, its performance and features make it a standout choice. The intelligent design, robust construction, and user-friendly controls make it the best overall electric garage heater on the market. If you're looking for a dependable and powerful heating solution, the CTSC 10000WW is our top recommendation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best electric garage heater for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Have any questions about these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.